So we start. I have a question for everybody. ठीक है? So Shivansh, I would like your input also. So generally,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
when you're talking in English, what happens? Like what is happening in the back of your mind? Okay. So mostly for people who are not native English speakers, like we being Indians, most of us, हमारा mother tongue English नहीं है, of course. तो जब हम
Yeah.
इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं तो व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस दैट इज गोइंग ऑन इन आवर हेड. तो सबसे पहले बहुत सारे लर्नर्स जो मुझे बताते हैं दैट इज व्हेन समवन इज टॉकिंग टू देम इन इंग्लिश द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट दे डू बिफोर रिस्पॉन्डिंग इज पहले वो सेंटेंस वो खुद अपने मदर टंग में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे. लेट्स जस्ट से इट कैन बी Hindi, it can be Marathi, it can be any other language, any other language. They translate that in their particular mother tongue. Then they अंडरस्टैंड ओके व्हाट शुड बी द रिस्पॉन्स टू इट. तो फिर उसके लिए अपना खुद का आंसर फ्रेम करेंगे, वो भी अपने मदर टंग में. फिर जाके वो हम ट्रांसलेट करेंगे इंग्लिश में और तब जाके फाइनली हम डिलीवर करेंगे या फिर कोशिश करेंगे इन इंग्लिश. राइट? इज दिस व्हाट हैपन? काफी लंबा
Yeah,
प्रोसेस है. राइट? व्हाट डू यू थिंक शिवांश?
yeah,
इज इट टू लॉन्ग?
yeah. It is definitely long.
तो इसका ऑल्टरनेटिव क्या हो सकता है? लाइक हाउ कैन वी एक्चुअली चेंज दिस? व्हाट हैपेंस? इतना लंबा टाइम अगर आप ले रहे हैं तब तक तो भाई ट्रेन छूट जानी है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? वी डोंट
Yeah,
रियली
yeah,
हैव दैट मच ऑफ टाइम. हर बार जब कोई भी आपसे बात कर रहा है दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू दैट मच टाइम. सो व्हाट आर यू गोना डू? व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन टू इट? एंड द सॉल्यूशन इज सिंपल. स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश. ओके. So, how can we do that?
yeah. That is the question of the hour, I believe.
Okay, so today we're
Yeah.
going to be talking about how to speak in English and how to think in English specifically so that it will help you become a better speaker. Okay, Shivanshu, have anything to add to this?
No, no, no. But I just have like one little thing that's not particular to this. But when you said we are thinking in, when we are thinking in our native languages, you mentioned Marathi and you mentioned English. So all the people who are probably getting offended that we didn't mention your, we can think about in Gujarati, Punjabi, Kashmiri, Himachali, like Gurkhali and all the other languages. I'm sorry, itni mujhe pata hai native languages. Please do comment down below if there's any other native languages that you probably speak in. So please don't get offended by that. I see a few comments about your native languages. But yeah, today we are actually talking about that. I would definitely agree with Mansi on this part as well. When I was like started out, because I also had a very strong influence of my native language, that's Punjabi. And we all have seen memes about Punjabis speaking in English. Majority of them actually are true about that. So it takes a toll on you when you're learning English, because that whole process, that just like Mansi mentioned, it is actually there. And if you're somebody who's just learning out or starting out in learning English, you probably will relate to us. So I'll do something for you guys today. Since Mansi is already speaking in English, let me just speak in Hindi, so that for all the people who are still not very good in English, they can understand that as well. That works fine, Mansi, for you?
Yes, I think that works absolutely. It does.
Okay. So, first of all, can you please tell us the importance क्या है, like thinking in English का? When we talk about speaking in English, we already know the importance, I believe अब तक तो. But thinking in English का importance क्या बनता है?
Okay, a lot of time people also ask the same question as to how is it going to change anything. So
Yeah.
we have a very simple answer to this, and that is fluency. Okay, ultimately you're learning, you're working so hard. Ultimately for what? For fluency, right? And how
Yeah.
is thinking in English affecting your fluency? First of all, fluency is not just attained by speaking clearly. It's also attained by thinking clearly. Okay, and
Yeah.
to do that, we need to start thinking in English. All right.
Yeah.
So yeah, I
Okay.
think that is the importance of it.
Okay. Nowadays, passion. Okay, Shalu, I don't know what you're saying. Could you please just elaborate, guys? Context is very important in your comments, I would say. Okay, so like तो हम शुरुआत कैसे करते हैं? Okay, we get to know कि okay, fluency is very important. It also reduces the process. जो आपने process mention किया, एक proper जो step by step, उसको भी काफी कम कर देता है if you are directly thinking in English. तो but how can somebody start? कि अगर ground zero या फिर level zero से start करना है तो उसको कैसे हम आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं उसमें?
Okay, so today I'm not going to tell you one. or two,
Okay.
I'm going to tell you a whole 5 different ways of actually, starting to think in English. So I
Okay.
think you have, like good enough answers to actually start working on it. So shall we
Okay.
start with the first one?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Sure.
Okay. Before we start with the first one, Shivansh, I'll need your help.
Okay.
Okay, I want to assign you one task, and while Shivansh is doing that task, I want everyone, okay, जो भी live पे है, आपको भी एक task करना है शिवांश के साथ. Can we do that? Yes, I hope you'll do that. Okay, so
Okay.
सबसे पहले अब मैं आपको 10 seconds दे रही हूँ, ठीक है शिवांश? आपको 10 seconds में
Okay.
whatever objects are around you, I want you to name them. Okay, can we start?
Okay. Wait. Let me think. Okay. नारियल का तेल. I don't know. Pani. Then I would say chashme. Tail again.
Look around, look around, look
And
around. What do you see?
okay. Ghadi. Topi. And that's all I think.
Okay,
Kursi.
okay,
Guys,
cool.
again, we want some comments as well, guys. Come on. What about okay. Yeah, we got a question as well. Guys, we're gonna be picking up all the questions you guys have. We got a flow directed to you guys today so that you can understand this better. So अभी जो हम लोग ये छोटे मोटी activities कर रहे हैं, please try to take part in those so that you guys also can have that that little fun as well. Frame mobile bro. अच्छा, your mobile. That is English. Phone mobile English हो गया ना. We want the proper Hindi words of that.
No, Shivansh, I asked you to just randomly name things.
Acha. Okay, sorry. Then I can say quite a lot then. But
Okay?
I believe I'll keep in mind for the next time.
Okay, cool. So, my task was for everyone to name anything that you see around in 10 seconds, right? And Shivansh, be
Yeah.
honest here, the first time that you actually looked at those objects, you thought of the Hindi names first, which is why you spoke about the Hindi name, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Like, I'm very sure नारियल का तेल देख के कोकोनट ऑयल तो नहीं आया होगा दिमाग में. आया आपके?
Okay, no, not really.
Not really, right? And what
Yeah.
about our viewers? Like, what about all the audience members? Like, when you were thinking about all the objects around you, when you were actually naming all the things around you, were you able to find the English names for every object around you? Like, I'm sure you do know what it is called. I'm sure you do know
Yeah.
because they are simple words, right? Shivansh, now if I tell you to again name the same thing in English, you know those, right?
Yeah.
But सबसे पहले हिंदी ही क्यों आया? Because we've actually
Bec-
named those things in Hindi. So the first
Yeah.
thing that you're supposed to do to start thinking in English is to start naming things in English. Okay, yeah, Shalu, you've done well. Yes, she's mentioning all the names in English, which is cool. You should do that. Okay, just randomly get up. Okay, I will tell everyone again to do the same thing. Please go around the house and start naming things in English. Okay, so like बोतल को bottle बुलाएंगे अभी से. If we call anything in, if there's anything that we're naming in Hindi or any other mother tongue, just start naming it in English and constantly keep repeating. If you have free time, वैसे भी अब lockdown चल रहा है, वेले घूम रहे हैं हम, ठीक है?
Yeah.
Go around your house, start naming everything in English. So,
Yeah.
and that is how automatically you are going to associate those words in English in your head. What happens is, आपको क्यों लगता है बचपन में बच्चों को सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्ट्स बताते हैं, from A for this, B for this, A for apple ही क्यों याद आया? Because that was taught to us. So now, how is this going to help you? Naming आपको help कैसे करेगा? When you are going to talk about the same object in English, सबसे पहले आपके head में English word ही आएगा, which will help you with the faster delivery. Understood? So that was the first way, and I'm telling you, this is the easiest way and the most effective way. Okay, Shivansh, next
Okay.
time I do
Yeah.
not want to hear nariyal ka tel first.
Yeah, sure. It will be coconut oil for a fact from now onwards. Okay, I'm now curious about the second one, since the whole learning procedure is now very interesting. And for all 38 people who are watching it, guys, again, I'm just gonna take a little pause. In the meantime, I'll be reading out the comments of the people who have taken part in our previous activity. Please do go and follow Alpha Board if you're somebody who has trouble speaking English. अगर आपको speaking में थोड़ी problem आती है, because it's a very essential skill in today's corporate world or in a career scenario, to be able to speak in English. Very important. So please go and follow Alpha Board if you have trouble in that. In the meantime, I'll just wait for you guys to come back and say done. If anybody of you have not, you guys can just click on at like something above, like I guess Mansi's head, there's going to be Alpha Board written. Click on that, go to their profile and follow them. In the meantime, I'll just see, and okay, we got a few comments. In the meantime, I'll just address those. Chauhan underscore Hansa 1504 says book, pen, fan, chair, bed, TV, good. Guys, again, I would believe a few of you guys might have had the same procedure as me, but I was thinking about the Hindi names of them first. And for example, whenever I see water, I think of it as pani first and then water. And that just shows how the thought process of usually ours work. But yeah, for all the people, just since once you're done, just come over here and say done, and then we'll pick up from where we have left. But okay, let Mansi, you can start. Please tell us the second way how we can do that.
Okay, now I have another task for you, Shivansh, and I want you to be attentive now. Okay.
Yeah,
Again,
sure.
I'm going to, with Shivansh, I want everyone else also to participate, and you can comment whatever your answers are going to be. All right? I'm going to give you
Yeah,
30 seconds now. This is a longer task, a little more difficult
yeah.
task. Okay? I'm giving
Okay,
you 30 seconds to point out all the things, all the actions that are happening around you, or
okay,
probably anything that you are experiencing right now.
okay,
Okay, I want you to talk about it or just mention ये हो रहा है 30 seconds. Can we
okay.
do that?
In English or in Hindi?
Just in
Okay,
30 seconds, I'm asking you to just point out things. I have not mentioned anything. No hints. Okay,
okay,
are we ready?
okay,
Is
okay,
everyone ready?
okay,
Okay,
yeah, sure.
start.
Yeah, sure. Okay, मुझे प्यास लगी है. I'm pretty thirsty right now. Apart from that, it's pretty hot in Punjab. We're doing live, and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि I hope everybody's enjoying. सबको मजा आ रहा है. Shalu's mother is sleeping. Okay, I'll just start reading comments as well. But yeah, I'm having fun. I'm learning a lot, and yeah. That'll, I believe, I have a book that I have to read. I still haven't finished that one. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा उसमें थोड़ा वो है, तरुण डॉट अनेजा को ज्वाइन करना है कोर्स, बट आपने मेंशन नहीं किया कौन सा कोर्स. तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आई बिलीव दैट्स ऑल.
Okay.
That was 30 seconds, I believe.
I
I
think
hope
yes,
so.
yes, you did well. Shivansh, you did really well, and I think our audience has also done really well. They've mentioned, like whatever is happening around them. That's really nice. Thanks for participating, everyone. So
Yeah.
I think again, the very first thing that came to your head when you were pointing out things, the first thing जो आपने बोला वो मुझे प्यास लग रही है, right?
Yeah.
And you just said the first thing that came to your mind. Why again? Because we think in Hindi, right? Or we think in our own
Okay.
mother tongue, right? So
Yeah.
the second thing or second tip to actually start thinking in English is by
Yeah.
starting to point out actions, starting to um, analyze everything in English. Okay, so what you
Yeah.
can do is you can just look around whenever you have time, whenever you have free time. Okay, like now probably or
Sorry.
okay, so for now I hear a lot of noise. So you can just randomly
Okay.
pick out things like okay, what is happening at my house? So my family is chilling inside. They are making noise, and so everything that is happening around you. The first thing that came to my mind was
Okay.
probably in English because I am
Yeah.
I have kind of had this habit of thinking in English. So automatically it comes to my head. But when it comes to learners who are not speaking English frequently, ये
Yep.
जो एक्टिविटी है आपको काफी हेल्प करेगी because when you actually want to talk about it, you don't have to think and process the information again. Okay, so what was the second step?
Definitely.
Start pointing out actions. Start, just uh, listing down everything that is happening around you in English. Also, whatever you are feeling, start talking about that in English. Okay, are we done?
Yeah, definitely.
All
We
right,
are
great.
done. We have a few interesting comments. I'll just address those. Okay, Tarun, you want to do? It's not data scientist course. It's data science course. Number one. Second, you can just comment us down on that part. Just send a DM to Board Infinity's official Instagram account with your name, email, and phone number, and whatever doubts you have, and we'll be picking them up. Anura Nain Gupta, Upta, I believe. की पार्टी हो रही है. I hope उनकी power ही हो रही है. I hope the weekend is going strong, I believe. Very interesting task. Thank you very much, Neha. I hope you guys are enjoying. Mathur likes OnePlus 9 Pro. I also like that. The only problem is I can't afford it. Okay, moving on to the next two more points that you have. But yeah, please, Mansi, go, take it
Okay.
away.
Now, this one is a very simple step, but again, a very, very important step. That is for every learner. I believe when you study, you use a dictionary, right? Are you guys using a dictionary when you study English? I
Yeah.
want to know
I,
answers. Like, do you refer to
I,
dictionaries? पहले तो please refer to dictionaries. अपने आप से तो vocabulary आएगी नहीं, ठीक है? Assume नहीं करेंगे हम words की, okay, this is the word. Let's assume कि ये है उसका meaning. Start using a dictionary. Now my question is,
okay.
what dictionary do you guys use? Shivansh, what is the dictionary you used when you were in school?
Probably in school I was using Navneet. I don't know if you remember it or not. Now Google is the way to go, I believe.
Okay,
It's
I
hard to
don't know
carry a
what's the
dictionary
thing
everywhere.
with Navneet. Dude, like during school time, I had a lot of friends. Navneet dictionaries. I have a thing against Navneet. I mean, I have. अब मैं क्या बोलूँ इसके ऊपर? The thing is, do not use any other. Most of their dictionaries are from Hindi to English. So do not use dictionaries where there are like it should be just English to English dictionary. ठीक है? So that was the third thing. Use English to English dictionary because that will help you with actually, understanding concepts rather than just directly finding a substitute word for one particular word in Hindi or your mother tongue in English. Okay. A
Okay.
lot of times, like I mentioned, they were advertising a lot, saying that find it easy. You will find it easy if you are actually translating from your mother tongue. But that's not the case. That's absolutely not the case. Which is why I really had a problem when schools were referring to Hindi to English dictionaries at that time. I saw a lot of my friends also use that. It was really, really annoying. So I would again recommend everyone if you are using a dictionary, first of all, please use a dictionary. Please use one.
Okay.
And if you're going to use it, make sure you use English to English dictionary only. And again, which ones? Okay, you have to make sure that you use the right, reliable dictionary. Which one are you going to use, Shivansh? Which one do you think should be used now?
I mean, I believe Google is a good option in terms of convenience.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want something like, for example, the best thing that I like about dictionaries, and because I still use them, not the Navneet one, probably I also grew out of that phase, got myself an Oxford one. But yeah, I believe the best thing is when you're searching about one word, because it's a dictionary, there are other few words, and sometimes I have a habit that I get intrigued by any other new word that I see that I don't know, and I just pick that one up. So I believe dictionaries are the way to go if you are trying to expand the vocabulary as a whole. And if you're finding the answer or the meaning of just one word, then I believe Google also works fine.
So I would say, like, if you're referring to a dictionary, refer to the Oxford Dictionary or the Cambridge Dictionary. It is a reliable dictionary जहाँ पे
Yeah.
आपको right information मिले. Alright? So moving
Yeah.
to the next part. Okay? Shivansh, I have a
Okay,
question
sure.
for you.
Yeah, sure.
I have a question for everybody. Okay, now tell me honestly. When nobody is watching, you talk to yourself, right?
Everybody do. You always want expert advice in your life, you see.
So you have
But
you have these one-on-one expert conversations with yourself, don't you?
yeah, definitely, always. Every once in a day. internet.
Exactly. So I want everyone to start talking to themselves in English. Okay?
Okay.
अब यहाँ पे बात क्या है पता है? A lot of people come to me saying that we want to learn English, we want to speak English, but we have nobody to talk. तो
Yeah.
सबसे अच्छा सोल्यूशन, सबसे अच्छा इंसान आपके साथ बात करने के लिए you yourself. Okay,
Yeah.
so start talking to yourself in English. Now, how are you going to do that? Okay, let's just say I have an example. All right, Shivansh, after a very long, tiring day, what is the first thing that will come to your mind? यार थक गए
I'm
यार.
tired.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Liar, liar. Because you are on the
Just
live
one
right
moment.
now. You're mentioning I'm tired. But
Yeah.
generally, what is the first thing that will come to your mind is that आज थक गया. Is that right?
Yeah.
The first thought is not, oh, what a busy day.
I mean, yeah, obviously, and also it's usually in my mother, like the native language, Punjabi, moreover than Hindi. Like, I'll be very honest about that. Yeah.
Exactly. So we don't say, oh, what a tiresome day, oh, what a busy day. So वो क्यों नहीं होता है? Because and automatically because ये आपके that doesn't come to your thought, it automatically does not come to your speech when you're actually interacting with people. Okay.
Yeah.
So till the time it turns from अरे थक गया to what a busy day, we have to
Yeah.
practice this habit. And how are we going to do that? Start talking to yourself in English. And again, how do you do that? You just don't randomly go around, blabbering things at home. So, क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले, just have this one exercise where you're just analyzing what you're thinking right now. So every day for 5 minutes, okay. Have this exercise where you're just saying, okay, today I am feeling happy, I am feeling positive. Just talk about what your plan for the day is. Okay, just talk about what your plan for
Yeah.
the day is. Okay, so today I'm going to finish this task. I am going to meet this person. Do that. Talk to yourself. Okay, if there's anything that's going in your mind, say that aloud and in English. All right. So this is also going to help you a lot in thinking and getting better in overall your fluency and speaking. Understood?
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay. I hope
Abhishek,
everyone's following. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Please.
yeah, I'll pick them up. Abhishek underscore Avasti 11. It's a bit costly than the other one, but I think it's good. Can you tell is it right or not? Abhishek, definitely. I was actually gonna pick this one up with this point up. Usually, Cambridge and Oxford are expensive than usually are Navneet, and there's a good enough reason for that already because they are more. The standards of English are better than that, and the diversity or the variety of words available in those dictionaries are better as well. So yeah, it's definitely worth the price. Yeah, Mansi.
So the thing is, you have these online apps also, Oxford and Cambridge
Yeah,
apps, and they're absolutely free. So I think that is one area where you can actually save money. Okay, so don't worry, it is not going to cost you even a buck. It is going to be free for you. Absolutely, just
just
go
some internet.
download that.
Yeah, just some internet, I would say.
Yeah, just some internet, just some internet. Okay.
Okay, guys, again, I believe Mansi, we are almost at the end of the session, right? Yeah, so all the people who have those questions, I believe some of you had a few questions at the start. Please do start pouring them in, and yeah, we'll pick up as many as we can in the meantime. So just do not shy away, guys. And in the meantime, if you haven't followed Alpha Board, this is probably the third time. I hope it's not irritating or nagging to you guys. Please do go and do that because this is something that I observed in my live sessions that a lot of you do struggle with English. Completely fine. We are a country where not the native language is not English, so it's completely fine on that part, and you can take the first step towards learning English by following Alpha Board. Okay, thanks for and now I will download that. Okay, great, Abhishek. In the meantime,
And
guys,
there's
again,
one more. There's one more point. That's five. I told you I was going to give five
yeah.
different ways, Shivansh.
Okay, you said it was over. Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Please, I'm sorry.
So, let's just say, Shivansh, you have something very interesting to tell your friend. Assume that I'm a friend. Okay?
Okay,
gossip,
Okay, assumed.
tea. Achha, by the way, for people who do not know, rather than saying I have a gossip to tell or I have some gossip to disclose, you can say I have tea to spill. क्या बोल सकते हैं? I have tea to spill. Now this means कि मुझे कुछ interesting gossip बताना है आपको. Okay, so this is like a slang. It's a phrase that you can use. Okay, so Shivansh, let's just say you have some tea to spill for your
Okay.
friend. But again, let's say you are not very comfortable with English. Okay? What we could do is to make that better, before you're going to actually start, before you're actually going to talk to the person, your friend, make sure that you narrate the whole incident to yourself in English first. Okay, now
Okay.
this is a tried and tested method, everyone. I have actually tried and tested this with a lot of learners in a live session where we actually practiced with everybody and we saw that there was an improvement. Okay, so what you will do is
Okay.
again, अगर आपको कुछ incident कुछ information देना है, you have to speak in English. Make sure you practice that mentally in your head in English first. Okay, so how is that going to help you? One, because your brain, like your mind already had that, just a few more minutes to actually process the entire information, make you prepared, and then you're actually going to, deliver it when you're actually going to say it to somebody. It'll come automatically rather than you wasting time or spending time on actually recalling and organizing the information again. Okay. So now you can't keep doing this for every situation. अगर आपको बेहतर होना है इंग्लिश में, हर बार आपको 5 मिनट नहीं मिलेगा हर बार 5 मिनट, हर बार 10 मिनट की. ओके, अब मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना है, मैं सोच के आता हूँ. ओके, अगर कोई आपको पूछे कि एनीथिंग इन इंग्लिश, क्या आप बोलेंगे 1 मिनट रुक जाइए, मुझे सोच के आना है. So that can be possible. But if you have this habit, if you develop this habit constantly, your brain gets this, habit where it understands that if you have any information to deliver, you already have to map it out in English. Okay.
Okay.
So by practicing this particular step, make sure you do that every day. Once you do that, automatically you won't have to actually practice it anymore, and automatically your speech delivery will improve. Okay, so this is one way.
Okay.
Secondly, while you're doing this, again, let's play a game.
Okay, sure.
There are a lot of games
Sure,
today,
sure.
Shivansh. I might be tiring you today, but Shivansh, no.
No,
Okay.
it's completely fine.
Shivansh, what is the first object that you see in front of you? It's the mobile, right?
My phone.
Yeah.
It's my mobile.
Can you talk about? Can you describe it without actually using its name? Like, I see this object in front of me, which is
Yeah. Okay. Which is rectangular, or cuboidal, if you want to call it. And yeah, I don't know. It's pretty hard to describe it.
okay. Now again, what do? We just started describing things around. Okay, Shivansh, I think if the phone is a difficult one, pick an easy one. Can you see any other object? And I'll guess
Yeah.
what object that is.
You want to
Everyone will
guess?
guess what object that is. Okay, guys, will you be helping me out here? Shivansh, are you ready?
Okay. Yeah, you guys could do comment down below because I doubt you guys are going to get this one right. But yeah, it's a challenge for that matter.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, guess what do you think it is? No, headphones. I've already put them in. I'm not going to take them out. But yeah, are you ready, Mansi? To
Yes.
guess what the object is? Yeah.
Yes.
What is it?
You have to name it. You have to describe it.
Okay, I have to describe it. Okay. It's pretty sharp. It's usually a stationary accessory. Stationery में आपको काफी ज़्यादा ये चीज़ मिलेगी. It's black in color and has got a steel or iron or aluminium component to it.
Is it a scissor?
And yeah, yeah, it is.
Okay. So I would recommend everybody to do this exercise just for 3 to 4 objects in a day where you're just randomly going around the house and start talking. This is this object which plays these functions. This is how it looks. What happened here in the first go? Shivansh actually couldn't talk much about the code. Again, it's about
Yeah.
fluency. Probably, Shivansh was like just kept on spot directly, which is why he couldn't explain. But when we gave him time, he
Yeah.
did much better, right? That is what we want you also to do. Everybody, learners, if you want to become fluent in English, you need to talk more, you need to think more. While you're doing this activity, where you're actually describing objects, you're thinking more. And you're thinking in English because you have to deliver in English. So I believe this was an effective exercise. Wasn't it, Shivansh?
Yeah, definitely. Quite an
Correct?
interesting one as well. But guys, again, you should also like take part, like Abhishek, please do take part in these activities. These live sessions are for you, so we would really appreciate that. And yeah,
Okay, so today we discussed how many 5 ways. What were those? What were those? I want you to name out all, just list down all the 5 ways that we need to follow to think in English. What was the first one?
the first one was thinking about the objects in English that are around you.
That is naming the objects in English, right?
Yeah,
Start
yeah,
naming everything in English. What was the second one?
yeah. Second one is like whatever is happening around you, you should also like talk about them or speak about them in English only. Whatever actions is happening around you.
Okay, third one.
And third one is use an English dictionary, maybe online, maybe offline.
English to English dictionary.
Yeah, English to English, sorry. Yeah,
Okay.
English to English dictionary, probably Oxford or Cambridge. Just an
Great.
additional
Shivansh,
point
you've
for
been
all the
paying
people who
attention.
missed it.
Very good. Very good.
I'm a quick learner.
The fourth one.
Yeah. The fourth one is like narrate incidents to yourself, even if you're like narrate incidents per se, like means like talking to yourself in English, so that just to have that speaking ability, not being judged by other people. Yeah,
I've got a very
for all the people.
nice idea
Yeah,
just now. Every morning you have to say positive affirmations. ये पता है हम मतलब ये काफी motivation
yeah,
speakers
I
बताते हैं हमको कि
yeah,
सुबह
I've
उठ
also read this
के
in some book, I think.
yes,
The first thing
a
that you
lot of
do.
motivational speakers mention that you have to get up in the morning, look at yourself, and say positive things about yourself. Like, I am confident, I am smart, or anything. ये सारी चीजें आप
Yeah,
English में बोल सकते हैं. Okay?
yeah.
So, this is also one way, constantly keep thinking about these things in English. So, this can actually help you. And what was the fifth one, Shivansh?
The fifth one was start describing different things or talking about different things in English.
And narrating
What's
incidents,
good?
like when you
Yeah,
are
yeah,
going to deliver something in English, already think of it, practice that mentally. Okay?
yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
Shivans, I think you
Yes.
did very well. Like you mentioned, you are a quick learner, and I hope everyone else also got it. Everyone else also was able to follow it, right?
Yeah, definitely. For all the people who are watching this, don't worry. We are not taking this away from you guys. We'll probably be posting this whole live on Alpha Board's YouTube channel. So definitely go there and subscribe. While you're at it, also subscribe to Board and Friendly's official YouTube channel as well. And yeah, these sessions are coming every week. So अगर कोई अभी नए इंसान भी आए, because I think there's somebody who's new on here, Rohit_Jumble. Really sorry, buddy, if I'm pronouncing her name wrong. Please do follow Alpha Board. These are English live sessions English coaching live sessions that we do just to improve your guys' English. If you guys are facing trouble with that, yeah, Abhishek, you can ask it and please start as soon as possible. Okay. Mathur has a question for you, Mansi. I have a question. If I will purchase a dictionary, how to understand the meaning in English?
Okay, so a lot of times the meanings that are already mentioned are in a very simple language. Okay,
Yeah.
they're very clear, very simple. So I don't think it will be very difficult. But let's just say if there is an explanation that you do not understand, then you can use the Google. Right? I
Yeah.
think, but the first time I would request you stick to an English to English dictionary. There will be a time when there will be one day when you will not face any problems with directly referring to the dictionary if you keep this practice. Okay?
Yeah. Definitely. I hope that goes your answers. Okay, Abhishek asked, how much English subtitles help us for improving English when we are watching movie or web series? Please help us. Okay.
Abhishek, this is a lovely question. This is like my favorite technique to work on English. It helps with your
Yeah.
accent as well. What you do is
Yeah.
when
Definitely.
you are actually watching shows with the subtitles on, a very interesting thing that you can do is you can actually read them aloud.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a very good exercise. Talk along with the characters, and if you can actually mimic them while they're doing that, it's fun. At the same time, you're working on your accent and pronunciation as well. Okay, so
Yeah.
now again, I'm sure this will be very difficult in the very first go. So what I generally tell people is, if you're watching a show, break it into two parts. First, let's
Yeah.
say just watch the 15-minute bit. After you watch it once, watch it twice, and when you're watching it for the second time, that time start, reading the dialogues with them. It will be really fun. Initially, it might be a little difficult, but as and as I think you have this practice, अपने आप improve कर देंगे. Okay?
Yeah. Definitely. I hope all the people who have got your questions are answered. And we hope to see you guys again for all the future lives that we'll be doing on Alpha Board. But to attend those, you have to follow Alpha Board's Instagram channel or Instagram page. So please go ahead after this live, just search Alpha Board underscore on Instagram and follow them.
We have another question from Sneha Bajaj. Sneha says, although she was an English medium ISCE student from nursery to 12th, but I don't know why I fumble every time I want to speak in English. Okay, Sneha, I think it's more of, because of exposure and practice. Do you not engage in speaking in English frequently? Do you practice? Because ultimately, let us say if I'm doing something for the first time, or if I'm doing something rarely, I'm definitely going to be, uncomfortable or awkward when I do it. So, what I would say is start practicing, start talking to yourself, start speaking with people whom you meet frequently in English, and you'll automatically see that okay, you become comfortable and you're not comfortable. If the problem is with vocabulary, if the problem is with grammar, I would then recommend you to actually start studying. You can definitely come to AlphaBoard. We will be able to help you and cater to your needs as per your requirements.
Yeah. Just another quick disclaimer reminder. If you guys have any doubts regarding English or English courses that Alpha Board is offering, just DM us. We'll be more than happy to answer all the doubts that you guys have. It's for the courses that Board and Friendly offers of DM us. And for Alpha Board courses, you just DM them. I believe all the questions are answered. Answered?
Yes, I'm actually checking if I've any of our learners to questions to go unanswered. So I'm actually scrolling through all the comments. I'm sorry if I've actually
Yeah.
missed out something, but if I have, please comment it again. If not,
And
I think yeah, we have answered most of the questions you asked, right?
yeah, pretty much. You can DM us if you guys have any questions that we might have, missed from the initial part of the session, or just comment down on the IGTV over that will be posted. Mathur, don't worry. अगर मैं हिंदी पंजाबी and English at the same time manage कर सकता हूँ, pretty sure you can manage two languages on that part.
Absolutely. That is just an excuse, Mathur.
Okay. Okay. Are we done with the live? Mansi?
I
Or
believe
there's any
yes,
other point that you want to?
we've answered all the questions. We've also discussed everything, and I believe it was useful for everyone. So,
Yeah.
yeah, guys, please let us know if there's anything you want to know. If you want a particular topic to be discussed in the upcoming sessions, please let us know. You can always DM us. If you want to join our board, if you want to learn from us, we have free demos also. You can actually contact us. You can just drop your phone number, your email, and your name. We'll get back to you. You can have demo sessions with us, which are absolutely free. You can see for yourself what you need, and accordingly, you can then choose to take up the course. Okay? So that is one good
Yeah.
way to actually work on your communication. All right? So, all right, I think
Definitely.
we've discussed a lot of things today, and I hope it was useful. Thank you so much for joining. I had a great session with you, Shivant. I'm so glad you
Same.
participated, and it was really fun. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. For all the people who are watching from Bowden Finley side, thank you very much for joining in. I always say, like, I'm gonna mention it again. If you guys are taking time on weekends, at the time, the end of the day, you guys are taking part in sessions like this, you're way ahead of the curve. I wish you all the very best in your career journey. And yeah, my name is Mansi, so nahi hai mera naam. But similar, it's like the one that we talked about, thinking in Hindi and converting it into English. But yeah, thank you very much, Mansi, again for having me on board. And it was an enjoyable session. I learned a lot. I hope all the learners have learned a lot. And yeah, I'll see whenever we can do more of these, guys. And yeah, thank you very much again for having me.
Thank you, everyone. I'll see you next Sunday. Bye bye.
Bye.